Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast.
Yeah, y'all back at 100%. Period. Y'all charged my phone didn't. My phone charger is like skippy. She's not proper. But I think I have a block in this big old bag of mine. Put my wallets back where they belong.
Memphis, Tennessee. And then also, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. David Porter, singer-songwriter, father of stacks, y'all. Somebody say he showed me. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you guys, Mr. David Porter and Brandon Lee.
Are we here? Why you guys look good?
Calling in my favors, if you love me, gon' push me. Said I'm calling in my favors, if you support me, then book me. Look, I'm calling in my favors, friend, gon' share my shit. Said I'm calling in my favors, if you with me, show that shit.
So y'all, the camera dying. I was trying to be a good content creator. I'm here at I'm at Starbucks getting me some food because I'm starving. I just came to the car so I can grab me some stuff because I'm actually gonna eat in here, grab my AirPods and stuff. So we gonna eat in Starbucks. Why is the camera going everywhere but me? I'm not gonna lock my door because it be dying.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Alright y'all, so camera is dying. Always. Finna get ready to head to my next location. My phone is freaking dying and I got events to go to. It's 2:30. I'm supposed to be meeting Miss G there at 3. She's my fairy godmama, y'all. She my event fairy godmama. Like, yeah. Love her damn bad, okay? Because if y'all know, if y'all ever get to really see me actively doing an event, you will know I be stressed out. Stressed. Not stressed. Stressed out, baby. I be having a hard time. I be really struggling. So, yeah, but she takes care. She takes care of me, baby. So, I'm supposed to be meeting her at a venue. It's not far. So, I'm going to go there and then I'm going to just sit in the parking lot because I ain't supposed to meet her till 3. If they all get there at 2:45, which is fine by me because when I get there and I sit in the parking lot, I'm going to just put my iPad back on. I'm going to catch up watching some YouTube videos. Hopefully when I get home, my computer done started moving slow. I need to invest in a SSD drive. One without a fan. I think that's the next big purchase that I'm going to make. I need a big one though. I need it like, I'm finna have to spend a couple $100. But I need a big one so that I can, I need like a 10 terabyte or 16 terabyte or something. So that way that could be my at-home drive and I put everything on it. And then I could just like reorganize all of my stuff. Like that's something I really, really want to do for this year. So that I can help myself be more organized and create more content. Also, I want to create like a better strategy or a routine for myself when I'm inputting content in somewhere so that I can know what's going to go in what. Because I don't really have a process like that when it comes to me creating my content. Yeah, y'all back at 100%. Period. Y'all charged my phone didn't. My phone charger is like skippy. She's not proper. But I think I have a block in this big old bag of mine. I need to hurry up and get in here because I'm sure Brandon already is. But I am going to change my tennis shoes. I just want to look a little bit more put together. other heel on. I wasn't gonna put no coat on because
and then also, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. David Porter, singer-songwriter, father of stacks, y'all. Somebody say he showed me. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you guys, Mr. David Porter and Brandon Lee.
Are we here? Boy, you guys look good. Many, many years ago, I was you. I was someone who thought I wanted to do music because I loved the thought of being able to do music. I also loved some of the examples that I was seeing who were in fact doing music. I came up at a time when there were not that many people who looked like me being played on the radio.
So I met David originally through the consorted NNT program where he was mentoring, the Memphis music community like he's always done. How?
okay, y'all. So I know we was talking earlier. Finishing getting my trademarks done is something very important to me. Own your stuff, you guys. Own your stuff. And I got some weird little stalker people out here now in the world watching every little move I make. So I gotta be careful of saying things, doing things. Okay, give me a minute. Let me finish this. Shit is cold. Good morning, y'all. And I think I'm just happy because this is something I don't get to do often. Like, not like wash my face, but I'm just gonna put a little bit on the front of my hair so that my slicks like this one. This sleek ain't sleeky. This one either. Like, girl, what is you doing? Baby, y'all would hate if I actually had some help. This edge ain't either. Hold on. Do what I mean by they need to. I need them to stick out more. Like, come outside. So I don't look bald yet. They don't love me. I've been trying not to use rubber bands, but this came undone yesterday, and I like it. So I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna let the middle part grow on me. Because yesterday when I did this, I used a clamp, which I'm still gonna use, but. And then I just clamped my little old bitty hair. I just clamped it. That's it. And I feel like I look cute, so who's gonna say something? Go to hell respectfully. You know? Gotta keep you some earrings in so you don't start to look like a little boy. This is what I'm talking about. Every lip gloss I buy disappears. I bought these little, I don't even know what to say. And I got the two that I don't like. I bought the clear one. Again, it's probably in that stuff in the gallery. Because that is the last place I had it. I tell the truth. But like, what is this? Anywho, on today's agenda is a lot of computer work. I had some other stuff that's supposed to come before this, but Mama got stuff to do. Okay. So check. So now it's this. So actually I need to do this first. Then do that. And then hey, calm down. Calm down, okay? The toothpaste. Sorry, that looked around. Oh, okay. I need to get the text for the cipher for the thumbnail. How do you put a guest profile on your MacBook? And I asked because I use it for work and for when we do events, and I be having guests who need to sign in, but I always want to get on my password to my MacBook. It says it's charging, so why was it dead all night? It was on the charger. Oh, I guess it's not charging through the thing no more. Okay, girl. Now you got food on my carpet. This is what I be talking about. You need to stop eating in here. I don't understand why you don't listen. You don't freaking listen. Y'all don't start giving me no unsolicited dog trying advice. Because I have the sweetest boy. And he do be listening. His mama just be talking. He listen when he wants to. I don't think I even realized my house keys is not attached to my car keys. Okay. It's about time for me to buy some more chapstick. I had another one that I have one I keep at home, one I keep in my purse, and I need to have one I keep. 10, 11, 12. Wait, what? I said, what? 12. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I tell them that I'm bossy and cocky. I want foreigns like a Audi, like my new whip, yeah, he